Buddha, the word, that inheritance of deeds, karma. For the owners of their deeds, karma, are the beings, heirs of their deeds. Their deeds are the womb from which they spring. With their deeds, they are bound up. Their deeds are their refuge. Whatever deeds they do, good or evil, of such, they will be the heirs. And wherever the beings spring into existence, there their deeds will ripen. And wherever their deeds ripen, there they will earn the fruits of those deeds, be it in this life, or be it in the next life, or be it in any other future life. There will come a time when the mighty ocean will dry up, vanish, and be no more. There will come a time when the mighty earth will be devoured by fire, perish, and be no more. But yet, there will be no end to the suffering of beings who, obstructed by ignorance and ensnared by craving, are hurrying and hastening through this round of rebirths. Well, certainly the physical forms give way to other physical forms, and who knows how many physical forms the physical form that you were in can and has ended up in. But the notion of adi karma, or the primal karma, is of course the situation into which one was born that's still a result of cause and effect. So you do have to own your situation, right?